Hello guys, this is a Redodo 12V 100Ah battery unboxing video, and I will show what you will see and what you will get when you receive the package. As you can see, we packed our batteries in thick, strong cardboard boxes, and you will find our manual and a notice card in a document bag after you unbox the package. The manual includes the basic specs of the battery and a comprehensive introduction on how to use the battery better. Underneath the bag is the foam on top of the package and the accessory placed in the foam. We have provided 4 pieces of MA size screws and 2 insulating caps for each battery. Now, after removing the top foam, you can find the battery inside the protective plastic bag, also with a handle shape that makes it easy to move around. That's all for today's video, and I hope you always have a great purchasing experience with Redodo.